Every monsoon, Mumbai braces for torrential rain. Waterlogging, flooded roads, disrupted trains. But this year, another danger has made big news: falling trees. On the 30th of June 2026, a massive peepal tree in Chembur collapsed onto a school bus, killing an 11-year-old boy. In Kurla, a 46-year-old man died after being struck by a falling branch. In Prabhadevi, 7 large trees fell in a single day. Trees have, of course, fallen before, but the numbers in 2026 are alarmingly high. So, what is going on? The Chembur peepal tree had undergone an official pre monsoon inspection just weeks before it fell. It was declared stable and safe. Its branches had been pruned. And then, when the monsoon came, and it fell tragically onto a school bus full of children. A BMC inquiry found that cement concretization around the tree base had weakened its roots, leading to its fall. Trees damaged this way may appear perfectly healthy from the outside while gradually losing all structural stability beneath the surface. You cannot see the damage until the tree falls. In recent years, the municipal corporation has undertaken one of its largest ever road concretization drives. Concrete is often laid right up to the base of mature trees, sometimes covering the roots entirely. When the root zone is sealed, soil becomes compacted, reducing water and oxygen availability. Roots weaken, and a weakened tree cannot withstand heavy rain and strong monsoon winds the way a healthy one can. Concrete roads aren't, of course, the only culprit. Roads are also damaged during excavation for pipelines, cables, drainage works, and so on. The monsoon doesn't cause the problem, it simply reveals it. The municipal corporation set up a committee which has now recommended that concrete should not be laid around tree roots and that mandatory open space be left around every tree base. The National Green Tribunal had directed exactly this. A survey near the Chembur accident site found that only 2 out of 10 trees had the mandated 1 meter by 1 meter buffer zone at their base. These norms exist, they are simply not being followed. Following the incidents, the commissioner of the municipal corporation directed the removal of concrete slabs around tree bases around the city. But we can play a part too. If you see concrete laid flush against a tree trunk, no soil, no breathing space, report it. You can contact the BMC's tree authority or use the BMC's citizen grievance portal. You can also reach out to local environmental groups like Vanashakti that has been flagging and fighting this issue for years. I've added links to these in the description below. Also linked below are other episodes about Mumbai trees on this channel related to green spaces, tree poisoning, and so on. Take notice of the trees around you. They are more than givers of oxygen, keeping us alive, and who knows, your vigilance might just turn out to be a lifesaver.